Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khadijah. So we're doing a self-care night today. It was like super stressful for me, so I wanted to start the night by just like literally washing away all of the gunk from my hair. I had to do a deep cleanse of my scalp because guys, like literally washing my hair just makes me feel amazing and just a little bit more refreshed. And while I was in the shower, I also listened to a jazz playlist because jazz just really helps me be calm. And I truly do love listening to jazz and lo-fi. That's why I love incorporating into my videos because I just feel that much more zen. So yeah, I'm using the Carol's Daughter products. Everything will be linked down below just so we can continue to vibe in this video together, basically. So as you can see, I'm cleansing my scalp. I'm trying to make sure to hit the roots and scrub my scalp and just work all of that product in there. Shower time is truly the best, most peaceful time. Like I feel like there's no other escape like a shower. If you know, you know. All the girls like who take showers and just like stand there forever, that's literally me. I think this was like probably a 30-minute shower, which is pretty long for me, I would want to say, like if I'm not doing the full works. But yeah, going in and washing my face. I love to cleanse my face in the shower, and sometimes like I'll double cleanse when I'm out of the shower, but washing my face in the shower, it just makes sense while you're kind of getting everything together. As y'all can see, I'm shaving. I don't buy shaving cream. I'm sorry, I just don't want to. So I usually use like conditioner for my legs. I don't know if that's bad or not, but hey. And we're going in with some coconut butter from Trader Joe's that I recently got. I actually love it. It's so moisturizing, guys. Like, it's really the best. Y'all need to try it out. But yeah, so hopping out of the shower, just like kind of lathering up my body and making sure I'm just like feeling good, smelling nice, because as y'all like I said, guys, y'all just need to do the full enchilada when you're not in the shower. I mean, when you're having a tough day, all right? So anyways, going in with these Hero nose pore strips that I got. I think I got these from Target. I like it. It like gets a lot of like the oils out of my nose. And yeah, I just hate like having like the gunk and stuff. So it's nice to do these like every week, every other week, just to kind of make sure your skin is looking great, especially if you can't afford a facial, honey. I need to go get a facial. I literally haven't gotten one in probably over like 6 months. So now I'm using the Trader Joe's toothpaste. I forget which one. It's like a peppermint. And I'm going in with my Crest white strips. I've been doing these for the past week and a half, and I've noticed a difference, especially because I drink coffee, so I like to use it coffee with like a straw nowadays, and I'm noticing a huge difference in my teeth. So definitely use these to maintain your smile, guys. I'm going in with this hydrating mask that I think I got from Gabby. I'm pretty sure if I didn't, I just got it a long time ago. And you can get 3 uses out of this, one clean skin. So this is my second time using it, but I'm just going to throw it away just because I just really like felt weird after I used it this time. I was like, I don't think it'll last me another time. I am refreshing my hair, so we're just going to go ahead and get it done. That always makes me feel 10 times better when my hair is done. So I'm using that Kendra spray. It's like a styling heat protectant. And I'm going in and shaving my face. I put like my bonnet on just to kind of make sure my hair was out of the way. But yeah, I just need to do the full works, guys. I just love like being more put together for the week, especially on a night like tonight. Like it's Monday night right now, and it just feels good to kind of just have a great refresh. And when I look good, I feel good. I know that to be true, so I need to honor that. I'm finishing up my hair. This took me a little bit longer than expected because usually I'll like just put some curls in it, but today I actually just like went ahead and straightened it, listened to some podcasts that I can also leave linked down below because y'all know I love a good podcast. And that was pretty much the whole self-care night. Like, I feel like this was very simple, straight to the point, and I just needed to do those like easy maintenance steps that just make me feel amazing. So you guys, let me know what y'all's self-care routine looks like because I'm really curious, and I might like to add on to my self-care routine, or when I do a more complex self-care routine, I think it would just be nice to kind of share tips and tricks. So thank you guys, and let's get in the next part of the video. Hi guys, so I am in bed. That was my whole self-care routine. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned into my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I just want to say, last message, make sure that you're taking care of yourself, because I sometimes am like working so freaking hard and then I feel like I'm spiraling, and then I like allow myself to get in this like really like dark hole, and it's just not healthy to be like that. And you really need to put like your mental health first and be making sure that you're good and you're secure and you feel beautiful, and that like you're giving yourself a break. Because I think that like I'm so used to going that sometimes I forget like I need to make sure that I'm good and like maintaining myself, and that like working your life away and not making sure that, you know, if you need rest, that you like take a rest day. It's just like not the healthiest. So I think it's just really important to like communicate with yourself and check in with yourself, to ask yourself how you're feeling that day, and to not feel like you have to just like completely wither away into oblivion, because it's just not the best. And I know what that feels like, to just like be working so hard and you feel like you're still not doing enough, but when you don't recharge, you're still gonna feel very depleted and you're not gonna be pouring into yourself, so it's still not gonna feel like it counts. So when you take time to just like acknowledge that you are doing enough, and that like, hey, like you need like something that's going to make you feel recharged, whether it's hanging out with friends or doing whatever you're doing, it's going to make you feel better in the long run. So definitely have a self-care day if you haven't yet, or have a self-care moment, or morning or night or whatever. Don't just do it just to like because it's cute and aesthetic. Do it because it really is going to make you feel better, and I feel so much better. So I hope that you guys try this, and comment down below any ways that you guys like to unwind.